Cookies, welcome back to another video. This is my bag. Me and Simply D are doing collaboration. She got this for Christmas, but she got it in the green leather, and I got mine for Christmas, and I have the brown suede, or is it called maple suede? Anyway, this bag is so gorgeous. You can see it's all floppy and it's all smooth, but I don't know if you can see the two-tone colors. It came wrapped and packaged, but it's like two-tone. And I was just like, oh, it's two-tone, but then I kind of got used to it. I got my Rexy on the side. You guys know I love my Rexy. My Rexy. He's so cute. I hung him on the side. I thought green and pink and brown. That's just one look I had, and then this is the back of it. And then this is the other side. I got my Coach Suede tag here, and then I got my other Rexy. And then this one I got from, I think I got it from Ross, but they have one similar to this on Love Shack Fancy. So I figured I would add a little pink. You know, pink is in my top 3 of my favorite colors. And then it snaps here on front. And the snap really holds. But yeah, I carried it. And actually I got caught in the rain and the snow stains, and it has feet. So yeah, it's a beauty. It's a beauty. I have Rexy hanging on the zipper pull here. I had him on the side, but then he kind of weighted down, and so I didn't want this to be like hanging down like that. So I put him on the side zipper. So he hung around there pretty good. You know, Rexy like to hang out. And so this is what's in my bag. I've been using my Rexy Coach notebook, which I really love. I like the leather. I love my little bow, plus my little trinket that I got here. So it's the twist lot. I might have to get it in the beige because I kind of really like this Rexy. I like the dinosaur and the whole little theme of it. It's so cute. And then here's my Ray-Ban Meta glasses. I actually have my glasses in there charging. So I've been using my Meta glasses. I have a lot of footage, but on places that I went with my Meta glasses. So I'll have to post some clips or some shorts or something. And then this is my schedule 2026. This is the one I've been using in my purse. Getting, you know, my stuff organized for 2026. So I still got a lot. But I really like this calendar. I bought it from Disney Hong Kong. Just look at the display of pictures. It's so pretty. I really like how I can do my things to do list here, or my list for the week or whatever. And then it has like the monthly views. Let's see if I can show you guys a month here that I don't have much activity. Yeah, here. So here's May. It has this little side. This is really a great calendar. The only thing I would add is that it's closed. You know, like it would stay closed so I can like stuff it with stuff. And then it has a little pen holder right here on the side. And it has 2 of these like markers for the calendar. It has the personal data, and then it has like the subway map of Hong Kong. So I thought that was kind of cool to have in my calendar, the railways. So yeah, so this is my calendar. And it fit really good here in the back pocket. This little side pocket, you can move around it. I mean, stuff can float from one side to the other. And then on this side, I have my little things to do notebook that I use a lot. I got this paper clip here to hold it. This is like my little toiletry little bag that I've been carrying in my purses lately. It has like my eyeglass case, cleaning and wipes and Visine and stuff like that. And then my pencil bag is a little out of control. Your girl been out of control with her pencil bag. It's like loaded. I got like pens, pencils. I got my little gum rolling around in here. So yeah, it's just got a whole bunch because you never know what you want to use, and markers and stuff like that. It's my little Kipling pouch. So cute. That was in my last bag. And then my phone, my other phone, I got some this because your girl, my knee was aching. I don't know why. I don't know why. But anyway, I got a piece of candy, and then I have my Christian Dior nail strengthening cream. and apricot. And so, yeah, it's like this leather, or this feels, I don't know if this is actually leather or not, but it might be leather. And then the suede is so nice and generous. And then this is my little inside pocket. I got a Panera gift card. I had bought extra. I got my AirPods and some Tic Tacs, and this is the tag for the bag. What is it called? Warm brown Suede Lana shoulder bag. And this is my little pill case. And oh, this top I've been looking for. And then here is I've been using this as my wallet. Yeah, it's nice. It's stuffed. I don't really have any cash in it, so usually I have to have a cash in my wallet, but I don't have any cash, so this has been working out fine. I got some hauls. I got my AirPod Pro, some little hand wipes, some Fresh Rainfall hand sanitizer spray, and then these are my 2 little lipsticks I got recently for Christmas for my sister. I put those in there. My little rose hand lotion by Loccitane, and I got my little purse holder, and that's it. That's all I have in there. This is really a nice bag, but it's supposed to be rainy in Arizona, so I'm gonna move out of it. I didn't spray it, but yeah, I love the gold C on it. It's so nice. It's really a nice bag. Johnny & Burke has nice suede too, but yeah, so I picked that one up. I just wanted to give you guys a peek of what's in my bag. I wanted to do a shout out to my girl Simply D for doing a collaboration with me. I love watching her videos. Yeah, my little notebooks. So that's basically what your girl got in her bag. So thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. And I'll see you cookies in the next one. Peace out. Deuces.